What up, everybody? It's your boy CG back at you guys again with another crypto video. Today's been a pretty uneventful Sunday. Well, it's eventful but uneventful. Not much going on. Just more news about different countries and places. Adoption. More and more people are seeing the benefits in investing in cryptocurrencies or just blockchain technology at this point. Market cap is up today 149 billion, 149.2 billion, I'm sorry. With Bitcoin on a crazy rise right now. I'm guessing there's a lot of talk about the upcoming Bitcoin fork, the second Bitcoin fork, where it's going to be turning into Bitcoin Gold. And I guess a lot of people are, getting antsy, getting ready, throwing everything into Bitcoin. Or Bitcoin could just be rallying. I could be wrong. It could just be a strong rally as more and more people are understanding that all these people talking about cryptocurrencies is simply an act for them to actually get involved in the market or, the space. But yeah, everything's up. Everything's on some positives today except Bitcoin Cash. Litecoin 54. Litecoin's been remaining in that $50 range for a while now, so expect it to run up. Litecoin's been doing a lot of this creator of Litecoin, Charlie Lee, has been releasing a lot of news statements. Always something going on over there. Let's check out Vibe. Yeah, so Vibe's been remaining solid in that 5 cent range. 5 cent is its support. Just looking for Vibe to actually start making it onto other exchanges. So once it starts making it onto other exchanges, people won't have to do themselves the disservice of trying to have to navigate a decentralized exchange like Ether Delta. It's extremely, I want to say extremely complicated, but it's a little bit more technical than an average exchange. And just wrong mistake can really throw somebody off. So, I just want to see Vibe start, appearing on other exchanges. NLC2, 17 cents. Okay. NLC2's new UI is supposed to be coming out, so really looking forward to that. Golem. I think Golem actually released the alpha of Brass Golem, so you guys can actually start using it now as well. Yeah, Golem's at 25 cents. If Coinbase really does add Golem in the fourth quarter, this thing is gonna go ballistic. So these are just some of the coins I personally am getting into or am invested in already, and I just want to just cover some of them. Everybody has their own their favorites, their little favorites that they have a lot of faith in. These are just a few of mine. But in news today, which one should we start? Okay, esports. So apparently esports Unikrn ICO met its $15 million pre-sale goal. Mark Cuban even invested into Unikrn, and that's crazy. A lot of people don't quite understand crypto space, so they're skeptical. And even if they do understand it and they do get involved, they still don't understand what's going on. But the biggest skeptics are the actual millionaires and billionaires, the actual people in the financial sector in the real world. But as more and more known millionaires or billionaires, jump into the space, it's gonna just become, how can I put this? Something that everybody's gonna see as a chance to really, run it up in profits. Mark Cuban not being an exception, invest into this esports startup, Unikrn ICO. The crowd sale hasn't started yet. The goal overall is $85 million, I believe, for Unikrn. So yeah, you guys can check it out. Unikrn Gold. The company hopes to raise $100 million. So yeah, there you guys go. You guys can check that out. And expected to raise 85 million. Oh, 85 million more, so it's 100 million in total. Okay, I was confused about that. But yeah, you guys check it out. I'm gonna have the article in the video description. You guys can check it out, for yourselves. Bitcoin core developer appeals to SEC regarding Bit. So there you guys have it. I was talking about, open adoption just yesterday, I believe. And more people are understanding, the direction that Bitcoin is going, and they're getting ready to start, making that move towards the adoption, the adoption of everything, just moving in that direction with Bit as far as making it an actual financial tool or store of value. So yeah, he's over here appealing to the SEC. I was telling you guys yesterday that the bank regulator was saying, hey, I'm open to this stuff, so people are probably getting more. I need to stop saying so much. People are getting more aggressive with their tactics as far as furthering Bitcoin. As far I just said I was going to stop saying that. Furthering Bitcoin in the other financial sectors, the other parts of the economy, because Bitcoin actually really can become a huge part of the economy. Everything's going digital, everybody. So what makes you think Bitcoin being a part of digital wealth wouldn't have some type of play in the future of a lot of countries' economics? I feel like Naruto, because Naruto be saying that's it by after everything. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I have a disease. I tell my girl the same thing all the time. She needs to stop saying so much, and here I am just doing this. But anyway, yeah, you guys can come check out this article as well. In other news, Bahrain's government is keen on adopting Bitcoin. This was actually my story of the day, because Bahrain, one of the islands of the Persian Gulf, I'm sorry, a constitutional monarchy of over 30 islands in the Persian Gulf. I don't know what's wrong. I think I have like a bad headache, and I don't know. I'm just messing up on reading today. Yeah, I don't know. My sinuses are going crazy. But yeah, the Kingdom of Bahrain is taking a Bitcoin-friendly approach in its advent to become a fintech hub in the region. Speaking at the MIT Innovation Forum in Bahrain's capital of Manama on Wednesday, Khalid Al-Rumahi, chief executive of Bahrain's Economic Development Board, revealed plans toward installing a regulatory sandbox in the country. The EDB is a government agency tasked to plan and implement the country's economic development strategy. In response to a query about cryptocurrencies at the event, Al-Rumani was reported by the Hindu Business Line as stating, "We are open to Bitcoins." So that just goes to show you guys, everybody is starting to see the benefit. And Japan, Australia leading the market as far as adoption, open adoption in their country. You would best believe that other people or countries are going to start following suit and getting involved in the space, because they see the benefit of what blockchain technology can do for them. So yeah, the ability for blockchain to be adopted at a country level is a huge opportunity for Bahrain to move into the spotlight as a pioneer in this space. I'm telling you, that is the motive. They understand where it's going, and they want to be a critical player in this space. It's all about when it comes to money, innovation, it's all about being the first one to do something, or being able to say, I was there first. I was always in this space, and I'm always going to be seen as the place or the person that was doing this thing. So, Bahrain is just on that same tip as far as Japan and Australia. Everybody else better get their act together, because cryptocurrencies are taking over. Well, yeah, that's about it as far as news today. I'm feeling a little sick. A girl caught a bug. I don't know what's going on. And I've just been feeling, I don't know, like SHIT the last day and a half. Man. But yeah, there's one more thing I want to touch on. I'm probably just going to touch on it tomorrow. I'm getting a headache. My sinuses are going crazy. Excuse me, guys. I just wanted to come on today and post something, just to give you guys some information. I actually did want to just lie down and just give it a break and watch a movie or something, just relax, but I just felt that I wasn't doing my job or doing what I should be doing as far as, continuing to bring you guys something. It's only like, 10 minutes on my day, 15 minutes on my day. It's not a big deal. But yeah, this is your boy CG. I'll be back with you guys tomorrow with, just something interesting to talk about, some good content as usual. Pick up on some different articles that I probably will find throughout the day or throughout tonight. All right, everybody, peace.